One new for you this morning, BART is installing another set of those new remodeled gates in an attempt to crack down on fare jumpers.
Today in the Bay's Bob Redell joins us live at the West Oakland BART station this morning. And these new gates were installed about 4 months ago. Do they know really how effective it's been in trying to stop some of those fare evaders?
They've been installed since the end of December. They don't have data, BART doesn't, but they say anecdotally they've seen people come down the stairs, get off the train, come down the stairs here at West Oakland BART, and then see these gates and turn back and go to another station where they can evade the fare because they don't have these gates. As you can see, these new gates, they are not something that you can jump over. They're not impossible to get through, but it is hard. You can see there's some wiggle room here. This one in particular, very hard to get through because it's got a mechanical braking system on it as well, which is a device that BART is leaning towards for their other fare gates. So later this morning, BART will start installing these new fare gates at its Civic Center BART in San Francisco, and then at all the stations by the end of next year. Again, this is an attempt to stop fare evasion, a problem that costs the transit agency anywhere between $15 to $25 million a year.
It's a cultural thing. When people play by the rules, pay their fair share to ride, and they see someone cheat with impunity by getting into the system without paying, it just creates frustration and it's disheartening. So we want to reverse that trend.
The Civic Center installation begins today. The next stations in line are Montgomery, Powell, 24th Street, SFO, Fruitvale, Richmond, and Antioch. All stations slated to get the new fare gates again by the end of 2025 at a total cost of $90 million. $86 million of that money is already funded. They're still looking for the $4 million, which BART doesn't think they'll have a problem finding. Reporting live here at West Oakland BART, Bob Redell, Today in the Bay.